afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. All of you had your lunch?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I had lunch.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, will you please take your EVS 1 workbook?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you sitting with your workbook now?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in our previous class, our lesson is over. It was over in the previous class. So, I think today we can discuss our workbook exercises. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because we need to learn now that answers everything. Okay. Before that, whatever it is possible. Page number. Actually, I don't have your workbook with me.
No, ma'am.
Somebody please help me to get the page number. Please help me to get the page number.
Ma'am, page number 20.
Page number?
24. Good morning. 24. Page number 24.
24. Okay. Okay, take page number 24. Okay. Lesson 6, water storage and quality. We are now moving to discuss the workbook exercises. Before starting the class, I know my children are very smart, but still, I want you to be very, very smart in my science class. How many of you like me? Really? Or simply you are saying? Huh?
Simply not really.
How many like to study science?
Am I?
Okay. You would like to learn science?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now, let me continue, children. And in between, I will ask your cute smile. Don't forget to give me. Okay. Smile. Because I always need your smile to continue the class. This is afternoon session. You may be very tired. You may be very sleepy. But after my class, you can go and sleep. That is nice. Okay?
And when will the class end?
I don't have that in my house.
Yes.
I don't have that in my house.
Ma'am, when will class end?
Ma'am is going to mute everyone. I want all my children to take the page. Yes. Otherwise, you will make too much noise in the class. Okay. The first question, that is multiple choice questions for you. Number 1, take the lesson. Lesson 6, water storage and quality. Multiple choice questions. Number 1, identify the system of water storage shown in the picture. Who can say the answer? See the picture and say, Gurujit, then tell me. Okay, Gurujit, you can unmute. Tell me the answer. Which one? The system of water storage. Identify the system of water storage given shown in the picture. Is it a draw well? Is it a step well? Is it a dam or a bore well? What is the answer? Look at the picture and say, unmute.
Dam.
Dam. Dam. It is a dam. Everybody write option. So, which option we need to write, Gurujit? Option C. Everybody write. Take a pencil and write option C. Option C. Option C. Okay. Next, number 2. Which of the following were built across the river to store water? To store water. What is the answer? Which of the following were built across the rivers to store water? Stepwell, drawwell, borewell, bunt. What we used to build across the river? River bunt. Then write the option D. Everybody write option D. Write option D. Option D. Number 3, fill in the blanks. The large artificial lake of water. Who will read the question? The large artificial lake of water formed behind a dam is called a what is the answer? Who will say the answer? Mega, unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Say. The large artificial lake of water formed behind a dam is called a reservoir. Reservoir. Say all of you.
Reservoir.
Spelling is bit difficult. I will write the spelling on the board. You can copy down. Yes. Now look at the board and copy down the spelling. Number 3. The large artificial lake of water formed behind a dam is called a reservoir. R-E-S-E-R-V-O-I-R. Reservoir. R-E-S-E. Everybody write. Look at the board and write, everyone. R-E-S-E-R-V-O-I-R. Reservoir. What is that? What is the large artificial lake? Say it is an artificial lake formed behind a dam. Behind a dam is called reservoir. Have you all understood? Then the next question, number 4. Bore wells are dug to draw out a dash using pumps. Bore wells, why did we dug bore wells, children? To draw out groundwater. Write the answer. Groundwater, number 4. All of you look at the board and write groundwater. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground water. W-A-T-E-R. T-E-R. Groundwater. Ground water. You all are writing. Show me a book. Okay. Very good. Kashi, you are writing, Kashi? Kashi, what are you doing? Show me a workbook. Show me a workbook. You didn't start now. I will catch you. Come on. Kashi, start. Kashi, you don't like your ma'am? Why Kashi is behaving like this to Faiza ma'am? Kashi, take your book, Kashi, fast. And write with me. See, my all other ones are writing. What happened, Ashwin? What happened?
Only.
Eh? What happened, Ashwin?
Join now only.
Then write, we just reached number 4 only. Okay, the first one I will just explain for you. Identify the system of water storage shown in the picture. Draw well, step well, dam, bore well. Answer is dam. Option C. Which of the following were built across the rivers to store water? Store water. Step well, draw wells, bore wells, bund. Option D, bund. Fill in the blanks. Number 3, the large artificial lake of water formed behind a dam is called a reservoir. Reservoir, look at the board. That is there on the board. Reservoir spelling. Then number 4, bore wells are dug to draw out dash using pumps. Groundwater. Then now we are moving to the very short answer questions. The very short answer questions. Number 5. Number 5.
Machine can say.
Number 5. Name any one dam in India. Any one dam. Bakranangal, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sardar Sarovar Dam. There are many. So, Idukki Dam. So, we are going to write the name of Bakranangal Dam. Bakranangal Dam. Write the spelling B-H-A-K-R-A. Bakra Nangal. N-A. Bakra Nangal. N-A-N-G-A-L. Bakra Nangal Dam. You can write Bakra Nangal Dam. Any one dam in India. I hope you have completed, children. Bakra Nangal, then can you spell the word Bakra Nangal?
B-H-A-K-R-A-N-A-N-G-A-L.
One more time. Ivana Devananda, tell me. B-H-A-K-R-A-N-A-N-G-A-L. Bakra Nangal Dam. Okay, children. Then number 6. Number 6. Name one storage system used to store groundwater. Any one storage system that used to store groundwater. We can write borewell. Okay. Right. B-O-R-E-W-E-L-L. Borewell. Any one storage system used to store groundwater. It can be well or borewell. Anyway, we can write borewell. Hope all of you completed, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next is the short answer questions to you. The short answer questions to you. What is potable water? What is potable water? Water that is safe to drink or for use in food production without the risk of health problems is called potable water. Water that is safe for drinking and for use in food preparation without the risk of health problems is called potable water. Can we write that answer, children? Ready?
Hmm.
Can
Yes,
we
ma'am.
write that answer in the
Yes.
class?
Yes.
So this one, ma'am is going to erase the board.
Yes. And I full finish.
What is potable water? Then you will learn the answer also. Number 7. What is potable water? Water, W capital letter. Water. Say and write, everybody. Water.
Water.
Anil Sabha, you can unmute. Parthasarathi, are you writing?
Water.
You can say and write, children. Say and write. Water. Everybody say and write. That is water. Water that is. Water that is safe. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. Safe to.
To drink. Safe
Safe to drink. D-R-I-N-K. That is safe to drink, comma. Hope all of you complete this.
To cook.
Water that is safe to drink, comma, or for
Or
for use. Use in food preparation. Food preparation. P-R-E-P-A-R-A-T-I-O-N. Food preparation. Food preparation. P-R-E-P-A-R-A-T-I-O-N. Preparation without. W-I-T-H-O-U-T. Without the risk of. Without the risk. The risk of. The risk of health problems. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health problems. Health problems is called potable water. Potable water.
potable water.
Okay, I will repeat the sentence once more. You can also see what is the potable water. What is potable water? Question I repeat once more. What is potable water? Hope you have completed. Water that is safe to drink or for use in food preparation without the risk of health problems is called potable water. Shall I repeat once more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, everybody, you can read with me. Water,
Water
that is safe
safe
to drink.
to drink.
Ryan, Rijo, Ryan, read the answer. Look at the board and read the answer. Water. Read everybody. Water.
Water that
That is
safe to drink.
that is safe to drink.
Safe to drink.
Safe to
Or
drink.
food
Or
used in food
for
preparation.
use in
Without
food. Without the risk of health problems is called potable water.
Potable water.
Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is going to erase the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Next, the following.
Next question.
Match the following.
Match the following. Yes. Match the following. Number 8.
Center.
Number 8. Purification center. What is in the B said? Different types of filters. Boiling for 10 to 15 minutes. Water is purified here. Chlorine. What is done in the purification center?
Please.
In the purification
Boiling for
center?
10 or 15
No,
minutes.
no, no, no. Purification center.
Boil.
Water is purified here. Draw a line. Option C. Option C. All of you draw a line. Water is purified here. Draw a line. Number 9.
Laterally, I also said.
Chemical used to purify water. Which chemical we used to purify the water?
Chlorine.
Chlorine. Chlorine. Very good. Option D. Option D. Chlorine. Draw a line to chlorine. Chlorine spelling. Repeat the spelling. Spell the word chlorine. C-H.
CHLORINE.
Chlorine. One more time. Repeat the spelling. Chlorine. C-H.
CHLORINE.
Okay. Chlorine. Now listen. Chemical used to purify water. Which chemical, children? We used to purify the water?
Chlorine.
Okay. Number 10. Thin cloth, gravel and charcoal are different types of
Filters.
filters. Different types of filters. Draw a line. Different types of filters. Draw a line. Thin cloth, gravel and charcoal are the different types of filters.
Boiled for
Number 11. Number 11. Method to make water fit for drinking.
boiling for
What is
10 or 15 minutes.
Very good, very good. Draw a line. Boiling for 10 to 15 minutes. That is the method to make the water fit for drinking. Faihan, are you writing? Have you completed, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Shall we move to the next question?
What is
What is water purification? What is water purification? Water purification is the process of removing all the unwanted and unhealthy substances from the water to make it clean and safe for our use. What is water purification? Water purification means remove all the unwanted and unhealthy, remove all the unwanted and unhealthy substances from the water to make it clean and safe for our use. Can we write that answer, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I will
ma'am.
share the screen. Look at the board and write down. Say and write. Then only you will study the answer. Number 12. Number 12. What is water purification? Water purification. W should be capital letter. Water purification. Purification spelling Purification. Water purification. Purification spelling Purification. Water purification is the process. Is the process. Process. The process. The process of removing process of removing REMOVING is the process of removing all the unwanted unwanted unwanted, all the unwanted and unhealthy substances spelling substances from water to make it clean. Make it clean. CLEAN. Clean and safe. 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 Safe for our use. 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 So now we can read the answer. Water purification is the process of removing all the unwanted and unhealthy substances from water to make it clean and safe for our use.
Make it clean and fresh.
Okay. Okay, one more time we can see. Water
Water purification is the
you can repeat
process
after me.
of removing
quiet.
all the
Be quiet.
unwanted
Stop it.
and
Stop it, everyone. Stop it. And repeat after me. Okay. Water purification is the process of removing all the unwanted and unhealthy substances
and unhealthy substances
from water
from water
to make it clean and safe for our use.
to make it clean and safe for our use.
Okay, I hope all of you understood what is water purification.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What should be done to make water at home free of germs? What should be done at home? At home, free of germs? Huh? Boiling at home, how can we purify our water? Boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Then using alum, using filters or purifiers. So we can write any one. Yes, you can write. Okay,
I can't hear you.
now listen. Okay. What should be done to make water at our home free of germs? What is the answer, children? Number 13. Boiling water. You can write boiling.
Boiling water.
Boiling water.
L-I-N-G. Boiling.
Boiling.
B-O-I-N-G. Boiling.
Boiling
Boiling water. Boiling water.
Boiling water.
For boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. 10, 15 minutes.
10.
10, 15 minutes. Okay.
To 15 minutes.
10, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay, boiling water for 10, 15 minutes. Then, have you all completed, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, long answer question. How does the water from a reservoir reach our home? Draw a labeled diagram to explain. I will send the notes through the WhatsApp. You can copy down. Okay. Don't worry. Now, I think today's our time is almost over.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, multiple choice. We can discuss 2 more multiple choice questions. And the next questions we can discuss in our next class. Okay. Here we have a multiple choice question. Which of the following practices need to be stopped to avoid water pollution in villages? Which practices should be stopped? Boiling water before drinking, adding chlorine to purify water, bathing animals. Oh, sorry. Bathing animals in river water, using toilets for defecating. Which one should be avoid? Bathing animals in the river water. Option C. All of you write option C. Option C. Number 16. Number 16. What should we do to prevent? What should we do to prevent water pollution? Washing clothes in water bodies, not letting out the wastewater in a source of drinking water, defecating in the open.
Out the
Not,
wastewater
very good,
in
very good. Not letting out the wastewater in a source of drinking water.
water.
Option B. Option B.
B.
So today's our time is over. Time to say bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye all.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Next class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Have
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Love you all. I love you all.
Bye, ma'am.
I like you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give me a smile. Your cute smile. I love you all. I like you all. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye-bye. Take care.
Ma'am.